All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can do this right. Instead of leaving at 5 in the morning to try to go for a ride up in the hills, it's about 7:30 in the morning. So here's the car ready to go. Let's go get some heat in it, and we're gonna go out for a ride. Me and my nephew are gonna go up to Los Alamos. So I prepped it last night, got air in the right air pressure and stuff in there. So let's go ahead and get her started. All right, guys, car's been running for a little while. We got it all warmed up. Here's my nephew. Hey, bud, you ready to go for a ride in the mountains?
Yeah, I got you a Dr. Pepper.
Oh, and you got me a Dr. Pepper, man. That's just when you think a kid isn't going learning right, he got some Dr. Pepper. Ready to go see Oppenheimer's house and all that stuff in Los Alamos?
Yep.
All right, let's get going. We had a really boring drive up through from Rio Rancho to San Ysidro, about 15-20 minutes, and now we're getting ready to start the run up to Los Alamos. And here, what do you think? How do you think the ride's going to be?
Good.
You looking forward to it?
Maybe it's going to be a little bumpy.
A little bumpy?
Yeah.
Suspension a little stiff?
Yeah.
So, I don't think he has any idea what he's getting ready to do. So, all right, let's get going. Guys, it's really windy, so hopefully this new camera works well in the high wind. But we're at this is the Caldera. If you ever watched the movie Longmire, this is where they film it at, right here. Or the TV show Longmire? Yeah, TV show. So let's take a look. So this is the Caldera, and this explains what it is. So I'm not going to read it all to you, but it's pretty impressive. So what do you think?
It's cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty windy and cold though. What do you think about the Subaru?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun?
I remember helping you with the horn.
Yeah. I'm freezing my chestnuts off out here. I think we should get going because I'm cold.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going. used to have access to over here, to the right, is a concrete plant.
Oh. But now that you aren't a semi-driver, you don't.
So we just drove through there.
No.
Now we're in Los Alamos. I've never been in this part of the city.
All you've done is go into the
Been in the laboratory and over there at the cement plant.
but never over here.
Now let's see if we can get some gas. We're kind of running low.
Your destination is on the right.
I don't do this very often, but let's take a look at this. This is a food review. Let's see. Look at this. A bean, tacos. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
What's the name of this place?
Roberto's taco shop.
Man, if you ever have a opportunity to go to El Roberto's taco shop up here in Los Alamos, fantastic. Cool. All right, we just got done eating, and let's see what we got left. I think that says enough right there. How was the meal for you?
Good.
Would you come back?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, we're gonna walk over to Oppenheimer's house now. Let's get going. All right, we went and looked at the museum here of Los Alamos, and now we're gonna walk down to the Oppenheimer house and take a look there. Work for you, bud?
Yep.
All right, let's go walking down to Oppenheimer's house. All right, so we've walked over here to the Oppenheimer house. They've left this house the exact same way it was when they filmed the movie Oppenheimer up here. So they left all the furniture and all the set designers and all that stuff. You're not allowed to go in there right now. So we'll take a look. See if you... See, this is the way it was for the set. So we're gonna go and look through the windows. They say that the building needs to be restored before they can let people go back in it. But they did film the movie here. Well, let's go this way, dude. So this is exactly the way it was when they filmed the movie with all the stuff. Let's go looking around the other side. Pretty cool, man. I think it's neat that they let them film the movie inside the house, the actual house. So that's cool. So, feels weird walking around some guy's house. Alrighty, well, the windows are a little too high to look in from the backside, but we came to the Oppenheimer house. Now, Ethan, where do you want to go to? We'll go down to Santa Fe, cruise through there. We'll go the highway way home.
Okay.
Work for you?
Yep.
All right, cool. So that's Los Alamos. Now we're gonna go down the mountain, continue our little trip down to by Espanola, and then go up for Santa Fe and go home. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, it's the end of the trip. This is the next day. I'm putting the car away. I'll show you. So there's the car. It's all put away. It's ready for the next trip. It was nice to get to drive it for once instead of spending all that time working on it. Let's see. Since I've owned this, I've put on valve cover gaskets, new spark plugs, a PCV system, oil return feed line off the turbo, new water pump, all new cooling hoses, everything. Done a lot of work. When I first bought it, I put the wrong coolant in here and it was just dumping coolant out until it got hot. So I fixed that. Then it went down to, I was putting a quart of oil in every single tank of gas. And then I did the valve cover gaskets. And it went down to half a quart of oil. So what is that? 2 pints of oil for every tank of gas. Then I did the oil return feed line. And it went down to a pint of, oil every tank of gas. PCV system, 2 tanks of gas. You can tell by measuring it that it went down, but I didn't add any oil because it didn't need it. How do you explain this? It probably used maybe a 16th of a pint. So was that a 16th of a quart is what I measured. And it's not worth putting it in. I put 2 tanks of gas in this car over the weekend. Well, 1.5 tanks of gas. So yeah, I didn't get real stupid. But so that pretty much solved it. I think to get the next thing I'm probably still going to do, just for to be on the safe side, I'm probably going to get a catch can. I have to do that, but I'm going to get the one that returns the oil. So I'm going to get the catch can. I think really the only way I'm going to completely solve my mind of getting, I would solve it is getting a new engine, but this thing has 220,000 miles on it. What am I trying to prove? And if it's only burning just a tiny little bit of oil, I think that's acceptable. So I'm going to worry, just to drive it for a while and enjoy it. So, but if you got this far, I want to tell you, I appreciate you watching the videos. Like and subscribe if you like the videos, and then comment down below if you want to see anything specific. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.